Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 multiplayer not connecting issue. Place the PS5 on a clean table so we can start basic checks on the PS5. Grab the PS5 controller and wake up the PS5 to ensure it boots normally. Look at the PS5 screen and confirm the PS5 is showing the home dashboard. Move behind the PS5 and check that the PS5 LAN or Wi-Fi connection is active. If you're using Wi-Fi on the PS5, gently unplug the PS5 power cable for a reset. Wait a few seconds before reconnecting the PS5 power cable firmly. Power on the PS5 using the PS5 front button to refresh the PS5 hardware. On the screen, open PS5 settings to check the PS5 network menu. Select network on the PS5 to run a quick PS5 internet test. If the PS5 test fails, move behind the PS5 and check your router cable. Unplug the PS5's LAN cable if used, then plug it back securely into the PS5. Watch for the PS5 network indicator to confirm the cable is recognized. Return to the PS5 network settings and run another PS5 connection test. If the PS5 still cannot connect, open the PS5 Wi-Fi settings page. Select your Wi-Fi network again and reconnect it to the PS5. Type your Wi-Fi password carefully so the PS5 verifies the connection. Let the PS5 refresh the network status and check for multiplayer access. If multiplayer still fails, restart the PS5 by holding the PS5 power button. Wait for the PS5 to shut down fully before touching any cables. Once the PS5 is off, unplug the PS5 power cord from the wall. Hold the PS5 power button for 10 seconds to discharge the PS5. Reconnect the PS5 power cord and start the PS5 normally. Open the PS5 settings again and navigate to the PS5 network tab. Run another PS5 connection test to confirm stable PS5 internet. If the PS5 multiplayer problem persists, grab the PS5 controller. Press the PS5 power button and hold it until the PS5 beeps twice. This will boot the PS5 into PS5 Safe Mode for deeper troubleshooting. Connect the PS5 controller to the PS5 with a USB cable. On the PS5 Safe Mode menu, select Rebuild Database for the PS5. Allow the PS5 to process. This can fix corrupted PS5 network data. When the PS5 restarts, wait for the PS5 home screen to load fully. Return to PS5 settings and check the PS5 network connection again. If needed, restart the PS5 router near the PS5 for a cleaner signal. Once the router restarts, reconnect the PS5 to the router. Check the PS5 Wi-Fi strength shown on the PS5 screen. If the PS5 signal is weak, move the router closer to the PS5. Try using a LAN cable for the PS5 if Wi-Fi remains unstable. Insert the LAN cable firmly into the PS5 port until it clicks. Test PS5 multiplayer again to see if the PS5 connects correctly. If the PS5 still cannot join games, open PS5 system software updates. Install any missing PS5 update to ensure multiplayer compatibility. Restart the PS5 after the PS5 update is complete. Once the PS5 boots up, retry a PS5 multiplayer session. If it still fails, go to PS5 settings and check the PS5 DNS settings. Manually set PS5 DNS to a public server to stabilize the PS5 network. Apply the DNS changes and test the PS5 connection again. Try joining a PS5 multiplayer match to verify improvement. If errors persist, test a different game on the PS5. Some PS5 games have their own server outages affecting PS5 multiplayer. Go back to PS5 settings and review PS5 NAT type status. Aim for NAT Type 2 on the PS5 for best multiplayer performance. If NAT is strict on the PS5, adjust router settings or use LAN on the PS5. Restart the PS5 one more time to refresh all PS5 network changes. Load the PS5 multiplayer game again to check for final success. Watch the PS5 lobby screen to see if the PS5 connects smoothly. Once connected, confirm the PS5 can join online session without errors. If everything works, you've fixed the PS5 multiplayer issue. Your PS5 is now ready for smooth multiplayer gaming again. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Enjoy your PS5 and stay tuned for more fixes.